A major shift is underway in the world of digital assets. With the introduction of the FIT21 Act by the Trump administration, set to be unveiled in 2025, this groundbreaking regulation promises to reshape the landscape of stablecoins and the broader cryptocurrency market with significant implications for PiNetwork. As the digital economy continues to evolve, PiNetwork is poised to play a central role in this transformative moment. The FIT21 Act, a new era for digital assets. The introduction of the FIT21 Act marks a pivotal moment in the regulation of digital currencies. As the cryptocurrency market continues to expand, a clear and comprehensive legal framework is necessary to provide clarity and stability for both innovators and investors. The FIT21 Act, driven by the Trump administration, is designed to fill this gap, creating a regulatory environment that fosters growth while ensuring consumer protection and financial stability. The FIT21 Act is expected to cover a range of digital assets, with particular focus on stablecoins, digital currencies that are pegged to traditional assets like the US dollar. Stablecoins have become essential in the digital economy, facilitating faster, cheaper transactions and serving as a bridge between the traditional financial system and the emerging world of blockchain. The Act aims to regulate these assets, ensuring they are secure, transparent, and widely accepted across various platforms and networks. PiNetwork's role in the digital asset landscape. PiNetwork, a rapidly growing blockchain project with over 60 million users globally, stands at the forefront of this new regulatory era. Known for its innovative mobile mining model, PiNetwork allows users to mine its native Pi token directly from their smartphones without draining device resources. With its unique approach, PiNetwork has gained widespread attention and is poised to become a key player in the digital economy. As the FIT21 Act gains momentum, PiNetwork is in a strong position to benefit from the regulatory clarity it will bring. Being integrated into a formal legal framework will enhance PiNetwork's credibility and legitimacy, making Pi more appealing to a wider audience. This is not only a win for Pi's community of users and miners, but also for the broader blockchain ecosystem, which will benefit from the stability and legal assurance the Act provides. The impact of the FIT21 Act on PiNetwork users and investors. For PiNetwork's community, the FIT21 Act represents a major step forward. The regulatory clarity will enable users to engage with Pi tokens more confidently, knowing they are part of a legally recognized digital asset framework. This will likely lead to an increase in Pi adoption, both within the PiNetwork ecosystem and beyond, as more platforms and businesses begin to accept Pi for payments, transactions, and investments. Additionally, the increased legal recognition of PiNetwork could boost the value of Pi as the token gains more widespread use and becomes a more attractive option for investors and traders. As the regulatory landscape becomes more structured, Pi will be able to integrate more seamlessly with traditional financial systems, including exchanges, payment processors, and digital wallets. A global shift in the digital asset ecosystem. The FIT21 Act will not only affect PiNetwork, but is set to redefine how cryptocurrencies and digital assets are regulated on a global scale. The Act aims to provide a clear legal framework for the integration of blockchain technologies into the mainstream economy. For projects like PiNetwork, this could mean increased collaboration with financial institutions, banks, and payment providers that are eager to engage with the digital asset space under a more secure and regulated environment. As the regulatory framework matures, PiNetwork could see greater interoperability with other blockchain networks and financial systems, enhancing the functionality of the Pi token. This could pave the way for cross-chain interactions, where Pi is used alongside other cryptocurrencies and digital assets on multiple platforms, expanding its utility and value. The future of PiNetwork and digital assets under the Trump administration. With the FIT21 Act on the horizon, PiNetwork is strategically positioned to thrive in the evolving digital economy. The Act will not only provide regulatory certainty for Pi, but also set a precedent for other digital asset projects to follow. As PiNetwork prepares for its open network launch in early 2025, it is clear that the project is moving towards a new phase of growth and adoption. For PiNetwork's millions of users, this represents an exciting opportunity to be part of a blockchain project that is not only innovative, but also legally recognized and supported by government-backed regulation. The potential for Pi to become a widely accepted digital currency. Don't forget to click subscribe.